John, it says like we have a stove running in 1 minute. It's funny.
What the This is silly. It just doesn't stop. Holy. Run! Run! Get to safety! It's the end of the world!
What's up, Dave?
Oh my god.
This is Scott. You seeing the lightning show? John, it's Dave. Hold on.
Yo. Where's your camera battery charger? Yeah, because it's dead. I tried to use the camera, but it's dead. Yeah, that's what I meant. I didn't even... Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Dude, this is ridiculous.
Dude, this on the news? John, a lot of people getting hit by lightning.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Lots of reports of people being hit by lightning. Scoop. Dude, this is ridiculous. We went outside because I want to get a closer look, and it just started getting way too close, way too fast, and we just ran back there. And oh my god. Are you looking at it? Like, is it close to you at all? Because, dude, it's like almost above our heads right now. It's getting closer, the rain's getting heavier. This is just silly. Like, Somerville was getting raped not too long ago.
I even think rape is the word.
This is just...
Raped by a glass bottle.
Oh, man. Alright, we're gonna see what we can do about that. That camera thing. I'll be careful.
Pretty intense.
Okay. Alright, bye-bye. This is just ridiculous. I'm getting the flashes. I think I got.
Which is still cool.
I think I got a couple of. Oh, I got that one.
Did you got it?
I had to have gotten that one. This is. The camera's just lighting up. I hope it. Oh my. Jeez, what? Like.
It looks like it's all there. All this yellow stuff. Here we are here.
We got orange and red too.
The orange is allergic to all of this is
It's been going for a while too.